Myself Mohita.
And myself Jyoti. We are from BPS Convent School, Lakshmangarh, and today we are going to tell you about innovative and smart cylinder. How it will help the persons and how we have identified the problem. We have identified the problem as in recent days we can see many leakages in the cylinders from which people are suffering. And the next thing is that people are also suffering from the one issue, that is the measurement of the gas in cylinder. They don't know about how much amount of cylinder the gas is present in the cylinder. So from our project all will be happy as they will know about the amount of gas in their cylinder and there will be no leakage in the gas cylinder.
In this project, we have used a sensor and a buzzer so that we can know about the gas in the cylinder. First, if there is a gas leakage in the cylinder, then the buzzer will start making noise. So any person who is using that cylinder, he will know about the gas leakage. And second, we have used the LEDs for knowing the volume of these cylinders. Most of the problems of person who are using the LPG cylinder, they don't know about the volume. So we have used here the LEDs. As the level of the gas in the cylinder, the LEDs will glow. And we have used a covering to protect the LEDs and the sensor and buzzer so that they can visible to us and then can be protected also. And
we have selected this problem as in recent days we can see that the leakage of LPG cylinders and persons are suffering from that. So from this problem the persons will not suffer from the problem which they are suffering now.
And for this research, we have taken the interviews of the local people, especially the local women. And when they are cooking food, they don't know about the volume and they don't know about the leakage also of gas.
This survey have helped the understanding of the problem as they are only suffering from that problems as everyone want the LPG cylinder for the various purpose.
To solve the problem of the gas leakage and the volume of the gas in the cylinder, we have made an innovative and the smart cylinder.
We think that this idea will solve the problem of many persons as they don't know about the amount of gas in the cylinder and they don't know about the gas leakage. So from this idea, they will know all the same things and they will not suffer from that.
And special thanks to the local women who have given us idea to innovate the cylinders and help the people. Thank you.